How you doing out there in YouTube land? Coming at you with some more ballad songs from the Philippines. These are all straight up Filipino ballad songs. A couple of them were made for me by my friend Daniel Chua in the Philippines. He was a ballad song maker. I'm not sure if he's still doing it. I haven't talked to him in a long time. Sort of lost touch over the years. But he was an awesome ballad song maker. This is one of them right here. See, this guy's DC on it. Daniel Chua. Beautiful. Makes them out of old leaf springs for military vehicles like Jeeps and things. Hand forges all the steel, everything himself. It's awesome. And his family helps him make them, his brother and his sister. Very nice. This is another one he made for me, and he made it the way I wanted it. I wanted a finger groove. See that? Got finger grooves? Because I like the tanto, and he made me a tanto. I've always liked tantos. It's called Windsong. That was his nickname on the internet. DC, Daniel Chua. Super thick. This is super durable steel too. It's made out of spring steel from World War II vehicles. Very nice, split bone. Even though it's got hardwood scales. All brass. Very nice. Let's see what it looks like. This is another one that Daniel made me. Philippines. It's a Filipino Chris. These were supposed to be extremely lethal because when you stab somebody with something like this, it really tears up their insides. These were meant for fighting. He's a true fighter. Filipino fighter. Another one that Daniel made me. That's a traditional ballad song blade, utility blade. Made all these by hand, totally by hand. They made the blades, everything. He forged his own blades. They're extremely sharp. All carbon steel. Now these are zombie blades. Another one that he made. Nothing we would trade. I'd send him a Benchmade or two, and he'd send me a couple of these, 2 or 3 of these. We were both into ballad songs back in the day. And I used to play Diablo on the internet. He's a real cool guy. I haven't heard from him in years. I hope he's still alive. I think this is the one he said his father made. It's one of the ones that his father was a knife maker also. But these are the real deal. Real ballad songs. Not American-made, factory-made knives. These are handmade Filipino knives. Another one that Daniel made. And the last one that Daniel made. It's got the Weehawk style blade. He's trying to copy the Benchmade blade on this one. I think it's so awesome that he made everything by hand. The blade was forged and everything by hand. None of this is factory made or made by some other party. It's all done by him. This is what he was into. Very cool. Well, that's those. That's my ballad songs. Now you've seen all my ballad songs. Oh, one other thing I need to show you. Like a lot of them have like custom work on file work they did. Anyway, that's it. That's those. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out. Stiletto out.